you, lady. Thank you, lady. We've had you. We have this big document. I can tell you we are not taking any document brought before us for granted. We'll look at it in depth, and we will make sure that we do the necessary.
Ijara.
And thank you very much.
Please, can I talk,
thank
please?
you.
Can I talk, please?
We have 20 more teams on this list that are coming before us. We've had you bring your...
kindly indulge the Ijara community because they are here. If they can just say a word.
30 seconds.
Thank you very much.
Seconds.
Thank you. 30 seconds.
Okay, thank you. All protocol observed. First, I want to say that...
And can we have one meeting? Meeting order, please?
The meeting is still ongoing.
Thank you very much. All protocol observed. As Ijara County, first I want to support the caucus, and we are part and parcel. Ijara is the home of the great statesman, our late Yusuf Haji, Allah Rahma. And Ijara is very unique because it is the only constituency that holds Hirola as a specimen in the whole of the world, the white giraffe. And if you don't make Ijara a county, the white giraffe will be killed left, right, center. If you come to the population, Ijara has 300,000 population, which is 30% of Garissa County. And over 200,000 are all over the country. The other factor that you will consider is the landmass. Ijara is 27% of Garissa County, which is 11,332. If you just consider population-wise, Lamu has 143,000, Isiolo has 268,000, and if you see, Ijara also was gazetted, was mentioned, was existing in 1992, and it was not gazetted just because we share the same common with Mwingi district. And Ijara was first in the national plan of Kenya, 1967 to 1972. And if you see right now, if you go back to Ijara, Ijara was doing well, better before even devolution. Masalani was doing well, but right now it's a ghost town.
Wide up now.
So because of that, we support to be created Ijara.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Asante, Majority Leader.
Yeah.